Planting mint by the gate, tomatoes leaning late, your hands in the dirt, my shoes full of red, a crooked row of marigolds, a hose that never rose. You laughed at the mess, called it perfect instead. And I liked it there, in the morning haze, your little wild patch in its honest shade. Lowbrow garden, lowbrow garden, mud on our hands and the sun on the fence. Lowbrow garden, lowbrow garden, nothing too neat, just the way we met. Lowbrow garden. The basil burned a little, the beans climbed wrong, the bee got lost and stayed all day long. You traced the weeds like they were part of the plan.